Welcome to the Kokolo English class. In this class, you'll learn English step by step. This is real-life English. You can use right away.
Hi, welcome to today's English lesson. I'm Mark.
Yes, welcome to the class. I'm Paris. We're so glad you're joining us. We want to help you become a confident English speaker.
Our small lessons are taught step by step and in an easy follow-along format. Each is designed for you to listen to spoken examples and then have an opportunity to practice speaking. When examples are given, the male voice with blue text is me, Mark.
And the female voice with red text is me, Paris.
After we speak, the green box signals it's time for you to practice speaking. If you make a mistake, that's okay. Mistakes are an important part of learning. Just keep trying.
Great. Now let's get started with our class. Today's lesson is about something each of us do most every day. Something we do walking down the street on our cell phone or at work. We greet people. So, in today's lesson, you will learn how to greet people using your English skills. There are different types of greetings used depending on the person you meet.
You will learn 3 different types of greetings. It's important you practice speaking each different type. The greetings are called informal, semi-formal, and formal. Each type is used in a different situation.
First of all, you need to know, what is a greeting? A greeting is what you say when you meet someone. You meet people every day, friends, classmates, or coworkers. In English, we change our greeting depending with whom we meet.
These are a few important lesson words to remember. Greeting, what is said when you meet someone. Informal, meaning relaxed and friendly. Semi-formal, meaning polite and friendly. Formal, meaning polite and more serious. Response, words you say when someone greets you.
The informal greeting. Now, let's start today's lesson with the informal greeting. We use this type of greeting when you meet friends or people we know. This style of greeting is friendly and casual. This is an example of using an informal greeting. Hi, Mark.
Hey Paris, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Great, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
See you later.
Now it's your turn to practice speaking English. Remember, start speaking when you see the green box. Hi, Mark.
Hey Paris, how are you?
I'm good, thanks.
Great, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
See you later. Both words, hi and hey, are types of informal greetings. The semi-formal greeting. Now let's try a semi-formal greeting. The style is both polite and friendly. We use this type of greeting at school with classmates or at work with co-workers. This is an example of using a semi-formal greeting.
Hello, Mark. How are you today?
I'm well, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well.
That's good to hear.
Have a nice day.
You too. Now it's your turn to practice.
Hello, Mark. How are you today?
I'm well, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well.
That's good to hear.
Have a nice day.
You too. The word hello is polite, but still friendly.
Formal greeting. Finally, let's learn the formal greeting. This greeting is polite and more serious. We use this greeting type with important people or special coworkers. This is an example of using a formal greeting. Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Paris. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
I'm glad to hear that.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Now it's your turn to practice. Good morning, Mark.
Good morning, Paris. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you.
I'm glad to hear that.
It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening are each a more formal and polite greeting. Now let's have a quick review of today's lesson using the different greeting types. Informal greeting with friends or people we know, you would say hi or hey. Example, hi Mark, how are you doing? Hi Mark, how are you doing?
A semi-formal greeting at school or work would be hello. Example, hello Paris, are you attending the meeting? Hello Paris, are you attending the meeting? A formal greeting at work or with important people, you would say good morning. Example, good morning Mr. Smith, it's nice to meet you. Good morning Mr. Smith, it's nice to meet you.
That's all for today's lesson. Remember, it's important you practice each day.
I'll upload a new lesson every day. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
See you next class!